All right, folks, today we're diving deep and not into the ocean, but into a classic Florida seafood dish. It's a fresh, zesty, and downright beachy. Ingredients are 1 pound of large shrimp peeled and deveined, fresh from the docks if you can, 1 orange and 1 lime, zest and juice because we're doing this Florida style, 2 cups jasmine rice, optional coconut rice for a tropical twist, 1 cup diced mango, because mango makes everything magical. Half a cup of diced red bell pepper, 1 avocado sliced, fresh cilantro, chopped, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, salt, pepper, and a pinch of chili flakes. Marinate the shrimp. In a bowl, combine shrimp with a splash of orange juice, a squeeze of lime juice, and a sprinkle of zest. Add olive oil, salt, pepper, and a dash of chili flakes to bring the heat. Let the flavors mingle for about 10 minutes. Give our shrimp a mini Florida vacation with a zesty marinade. Cook the shrimp. Heat a skillet over medium-high, toss in the shrimp, and cook 2 to 3 minutes per side until they turn into a lovely pink. Those shrimps are sizzling faster than a Florida sunset. Assemble the bowls. In each bowl, layer jasmine rice, fresh mango, bell pepper, and an avocado slice. Top it all over with the juicy, zesty shrimp and sprinkle with fresh cilantro. Drizzle and devour. Squeeze a bit more lime on top, add an extra sprinkle of chili flakes if you're feeling bold, and voila! The dish tastes like a beach day in a bowl. This Florida shrimp and citrus bliss bowl is fresh, fast, and absolutely fabulous. Perfect for when you want that Florida sunshine in every bite. Serve it up and let the flavors do the talking. And you viewers out there, taste that Florida magic right through the screen.